The problem of plastic trash has become a several issue. As a result, correct handling is required in order for this hazardous waste to be treated and usable new product to be produced. Recycling is one of the most important and dynamic industries in the plastic business today, and it is one of the most important solutions available today to lessen this impact. Furthermore, because recycling can minimize the amount of plastic trash in the globe, plastic recycling will be a viable option for combating environmental degradation. Repeated is an activity that can no longer be overlooked. Today, I want to introduce you Plastic Finance. Plastic Finance is blockchain-based plastic bank. Lift garbage collectors out of poverty. Give the poor access to bank loan through DeFi. Plastic Finance will improve access to employment, education, service and technology for many people. Also help the government achieve green planning or ecological budgeting through soil protection. Cleans the environment and benefit from it at the same time. This platform have several missions and we can divide it into three parts. The first one is by enhancing the recycling system, they encourage the circular economy. Plastic finance focuses on enhancing the productivity of waste pickers in order to increase plastic recycling. They are not interrupting the waste value chain, rather they are adding value to it for the benefit of all parties. They also support the tree planting campaign to reduce carbon dioxide emission, demonstrating their commitments to the circular economy. And the second one is they give waste communities more power so that they can achieve a greater social status in society. Plastic finance aims to enable the waste communities. They focus on the activities that will increase their self-esteem, which improves their productivity and well-being. And the final last one is they make ESG investing more accessible to everyone. With the aid of investment communities, their efforts to enhance the recycling system and empower waste communities may be sustained and explained. They democratize access for everyone to participate in the worldwide mission to recycle and empower through DApp and DeFi. Here, I want to give you a kind information that whitelist is extended. Due to the current state of the cryptocurrency market, they have decided to extend the whitelist timetable. According to the request of various groups interested in becoming whitelist investors in this project, they will extend the whitelist timetable. Furthermore, they must inform you that the public sale timetable may be delayed as a result of their audit, which is also being delayed by the auditor. Blockchain technology and stablecoin can help incentives all families and MRFs to fund the plastic recycling business more efficiently. They can tokenize each shot of plastic regrins and plates and construct an internal exchanger using smart contracts, allowing people and industry to easily monetize plastic waste. In addition, they can create a DeFi app so this waste can be collateralized as asset. Finally, what you are waiting for? Get ready and take this golden opportunity. Thank you.